Rewrite Git history to replace all CRLF to LF. I'm going to transfer a private Git repository from Win32box to Ubuntu. Though I can do a final DOS to Unix commit, but I'd like to rewrite the whole history, so some Git GUI will display log/diff correctly. For example, Git will insert empty lines for each CR/LF.
You can use git filter branch for that, with the tree filter option, and specifying all for the branch. Here's an example, started in an empty directory with a Unix type text file. Preparation. The command. Output. I strongly recommend doing a full backup beforehand. Running that from your Linux machine, unless you've got a good shell set up in your Windows environment, is probably easier. Edit, had the conversion reversed the first time around.
Matt's answer has nailed the issue right on the head. Unfortunately, on Ubuntu Linux, starting with version 10.04, Lucid Links, the DOS2 Unix/Unix2 DOS commands are no longer available, and have been replaced by fromdos/todos. Furthermore, both of the sets of the conversion commands have various degree of ignorance to the existence of binary files, thus if your repository contains images, fonts, etc., they are going to be corrupted by this process. I was able to find a workaround for the binary file corruption issue that uses Linux file command to correctly identify and process only text files as shown below. The command below uses tag name filter option to preserve the existing tags by moving them to the newly amended commits. Also, it uses force flag to ensure that the command will work in the event you have run tree filter on your repository before.
And without any additional tools, like fromdos, DOS2 Unix, etc. Cross-platform, OS X, Freebs, Linux, useful analog fromdos, DOS2 Unix. Perhaps useful Unix 2 DOS. If are you absolutely sure what are you doing, you can use this simple inline command for delete/r from all files in current directory.
Git filter branch has several issues, mainly in terms of performance, as is deprecated in favor of Git filter repo, a separate project which consists of several Python scripts. To convert all line endings in a repository, use lint history. You can also do other linting tasks, like add a new line at the end of the file. This assumes the lint history script is in your path and that Git filter repo is installed properly with symlinks and stuff. If you don't have a full filter repo installation with lint history, but only Git filter repo you can run,
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.